Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, Dwood. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you are curious to see how I toned my hair and went from this to this, then stay tuned. Today I'm gonna be using the Wella Color Charm toner. This is the T18 shade. I don't use toner in my hair. I literally wait till it gets like this and then I just use purple shampoo. I literally bleach all of the pigment out of my hair and I just use purple shampoo as my toner. I get a lot of comments asking what toner I use, how do I get the color, how does it look so shiny, da 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 da. And it's always purple shampoo. But today I'm switching it up. And I'm trying the Wella T18 toner. Now, I have tried this back in the day, like when I first bleached my hair, like the first month of me bleaching my hair. Ever having blonde hair in my life, I did try this because I saw a lot of people using it here on YouTube. And I'm not gonna say it didn't do what it needed to do because I also really didn't know what I was doing. And my hair was literally gold when I tried to use this. So, obviously it didn't come out the lightest ash blonde. That's what this is. The T18 supposed to give you the lightest ash blonde. That's not what I got. So I'm gonna try it again on the hair looks a bit dingy, but it's really light for the most part. And I also have a lot of new growth already, and I literally just bleached my hair like a week and a half ago. So anyway, that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Alrighty, so really quickly, the reason why I don't use toner is because when my hair is freshly bleached, this stuff be burning. Like, there's no way I can take another process on my hair. It just be burning. It's been a long time since I used this. I do know that you need developer, so I did get that, but let me read the directions.
Wella Color Charm toners are ideal to create pure double process blonde hair color results. These toners remove remaining brass for perfect blonde every time. Directions for use: pre-lighten the hair to the required level before applying toner. Mix 1 part Wella Color Charm toning color with 2 parts 20 volume.
Okay, I did not know my hair had to be towel dried, so I am gonna have to get some water. All right, I'm about to take these glasses off. That's how you know it's about to go down. Also, I get a lot of questions asking if I have a perm. No. Y'all saw what texture my hair was before, and as soon as I wet it, you see how it gets straight. So that's how my hair be so straight. I don't know what y'all hair could do, but this is what my hair be doing. Okay, let me read this one more time. 1 part Wella Color Charm toning color. So 1 part this, 2 parts 20 volume developer. Girl, I don't even have no measuring thing. Do I have to shake it? Should I just wing it? Let me see. I'm gonna just pour it in there. Okay. Y'all think this enough? Let me just add a little more. Now, time to add. Definitely don't sniff it. All right, I'm winging it here. So I'm just gonna make sure it's mixed really well. Let me just say this, y'all. I'm no professional. I'm a DIY diva. So do this at your own risk. All right, I'm going in. Oh wait, how long does it say to process? Up to 30 minutes. Okay, what time is it right now? 12:19. Honestly, I'm just slapping it on there. No rhyme or reason. And I definitely feel like I need more of the mixture. I have high hopes for this stuff. I'm really just curious because when I do my hair, like if I'm really trying to like be cute, and I take the time to actually wash my hair with the purple shampoo, leave it in for a little bit, my hair comes out white again, like a silvery, whitey kind of color. I don't feel like this is doing anything at all. Did I not put enough of the toning stuff? How much of this do y'all normally use? Because I did it the DIY way and definitely did not really follow the instructions with the 1:2 ratio stuff. I'm just pouring stuff in the bowl. All right, so I made a little bit more. I am starting to see it turn purple. So I feel like I did something right. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to rub this in or not, but again, this is how I be doing it. So please. Oh shoot. We making a mess. We making a mess. Hold on. The hair is pretty much covered. I'm gonna let this sit for, I guess, the full 30 minutes because I really do want like the strongest effect that I can get. I started at 12:19 and it's 12:24. So I'm gonna just say I started at 12:20 and I guess I'll wash this out at 12:50. So I will see y'all then. I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when it's like fully developed, I guess. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like fully processed. It definitely got a lot darker. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and wash this out and I'll see y'all in the next clip. All right, so this is what I'm looking like fresh out of the shower with all of the product washed out. Definitely not what I was expecting, but I don't hate it. I think I'm gonna switch my part up and put it on this side today. I'm just gonna go ahead and start styling. And we'll see what everything looks like when it's dry. It looks a lot cooler than what it really is in person. In person, it's a little bit warmer. Y'all already know I'm real simple when it comes to styling my hair, although I am going to try to do some finger waves today. Hence I said try because I might just made a liar out of myself. Hey y'all, it's me from the future. I just wanted to pop in really quickly and kind of describe to y'all what I call myself trying to do here. Because me and finger waves, I cannot do finger waves. I don't know what it is. Maybe I just need to take my time and practice a little bit more. I do not know. But I wanted to kind of describe to y'all what it is that I'm doing. So I don't have any mousse in my hair or anything. This is literally just water, gel, and a very rinky-dink raggedy comb. I definitely would not call these finger waves. They are leaning more towards like a little finger ripple, or yeah, it's giving ripple. It's not really giving finger wave, but I think it still came out really cute. I really just wanted to try something new, and I really like how finger waves look when the roots start to grow in. So I thought I would just try it for myself. So this is my failed attempt. The back was actually a lot easier than what I expected it to be, so I thought I would include those clips as well. I think I really just need to practice more, because if we're being honest, it really did not look that bad. Like, it came out cute. Let's like be for real. All right, so I went ahead and put my do-rag on. We did a couple different things today. We used the Wella T18 toner, tried to do some finger waves, and I switched the side of my part. So hopefully this wasn't all a big mistake and it actually comes out cute. All right, so this is the final hair. And honestly, I don't really think the toner did much. I mean, I can definitely see a difference in undertone, but I don't feel like my hair, I mean, I guess this technically is an ash blonde. I don't know. I like my hair to be more white, I guess, than blonde. I don't know, but I mean, I like it. It's cute. The little finger waves, girl, they was real makeshift. But all in all, I think the hair is cute. The color is cute. I don't really have no complaints about it. Just the color. The color is not bad to me. I like the color. I just thought it was gonna be different. So now y'all finally see why I prefer to just use my little purple shampoo and call it a day. My hair gets so much brighter with the purple shampoo versus a toner. I like it, don't get me wrong. Genuinely, I have no complaints. I just thought it was gonna be brighter. Cause this pretty much looks like the color I started with, just a different undertone. So yeah, those are my thoughts on this Wella Color Charm T18, the infamous T18. Honestly, I could do without it. I 100% could do without this, but I really don't have no complaints. Do you get what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. Anyway, I'm glad that I tried this, and I'm glad that you guys could see the difference between no toner and toner. If you haven't joined the fam, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you're missing out, girl. Go ahead and put them post notifications on. I'm curious to know what y'all's thoughts are. So yeah, thank y'all again, and I will see y'all in the next video.